Have you ever gone to bed feeling completely exhausted, hoping for a fresh start the next morning, only to wake up just as tired, stressed, and foggy? It feels like your brain never gets the reset button it desperately needs. Sleep should recharge us, but for many, it just doesn't do the job anymore. But here's the surprising truth: meditation can change that. Meditation isn't just about sitting quietly during the day, it can actually boost your brain while you sleep. It helps your mind rest deeper, process memories better, and even makes your brain structure stronger. In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful ways meditation transforms your brain overnight. These are backed by science but explained in simple, everyday language. And I'll also guide you through short, easy meditation practices that you can try tonight to unlock better sleep and a sharper, calmer mind. Let's get started. Way 1: Meditation improves your sleep quality. Sleep is like your body's natural reset system. But not all sleep is equal. There are lighter stages of sleep and deeper ones, like REM and slow-wave sleep, that really recharge the brain. Meditation makes it easier for your brain to reach these deeper, healing stages of sleep. It's like upgrading your sleep from basic mode to premium mode. People who meditate regularly fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed. Science shows that meditation helps your brain enter slow-wave and REM sleep more often. These stages are when your brain repairs itself, sorts memories, and balances your emotions. Mini-guided meditation, sleep visualization. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and exhale gently through your mouth. Imagine a soft golden light surrounding you like a warm blanket. With each exhale, picture your worries melting away. Let the golden light guide you into a calm, deep, healing sleep. Way 2: Meditation boosts memory overnight. During the day, your brain collects information like a busy office desk. At night, sleep is when your brain files and organizes everything. Meditation helps this process run smoothly. Studies show meditators' brains use sleep differently. They strengthen memory connections during specific sleep phases, meaning your recall becomes sharper and more reliable. Instead of waking up with a cluttered mind, meditation leaves you with a clear, mental library, ready to use. Mini-guided meditation, memory storage. Think of one thing you learned today, a new fact, an idea, or even a conversation. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine gently placing this memory into a safe, glowing box inside your mind. Trust your brain to store it securely as you sleep. Way 3: Meditation reduces stress and improves emotional balance. Stress is one of the biggest enemies of good sleep and mental health. Meditation trains your brain to handle stress better, not just while awake, but also during sleep. When you meditate, you calm down brain regions responsible for overthinking and worry. You strengthen areas that manage emotions and decision-making. The result? Less anxiety, less emotional chaos, and more peace, even in tough times. Mini-guided meditation, release stress. Place one hand on your heart. Inhale slowly, exhale gently. As you breathe out, imagine all your stress leaving your body like a dark cloud that dissolves into the air. With each breath, feel your body lighter, calmer, and ready for restful sleep. Way 4: Meditation increases happiness chemicals. Did you know meditation can naturally boost your brain's happy chemicals? When you meditate, your brain releases more dopamine, serotonin, and GABA. These chemicals improve mood, calm anxiety, and bring a gentle sense of joy. It's like your brain creates its own natural medicine for happiness and peace, without side effects. Imagine going to sleep with a calm smile instead of a restless mind. That's the power of meditation. Mini-guided meditation, gratitude practice. Close your eyes. Think of 3 things you're grateful for today. They can be big or small: a smile from someone, a tasty meal, or simply your cozy bed. Breathe in slowly, feel gratitude expanding inside you, and as you exhale, imagine that warm feeling spreading through your whole body. Let gratitude carry you into sleep. Way 5. Meditation tunes your brain waves. Your brain produces waves, like radio signals, that affect how you feel. Alpha waves bring relaxation, while gamma waves boost focus and creativity. Meditation helps balance and strengthen these brain waves, not just when you're awake, but also while you sleep. This means your brain literally runs on a more peaceful, efficient frequency. You'll notice better focus during the day and deeper calm at night. Mini-guided meditation, wave of calm. Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Imagine a soft wave, blue or purple, flowing from your head down to your toes. With every wave, feel your mind smoothing out, your body relaxing more and more. Let this rhythm guide you into deep, restorative rest. Way 6. Meditation strengthens brain structure. Here's something incredible: meditation can physically change your brain. Regular practice thickens the parts of your brain responsible for memory, focus, and emotional stability. This means meditation doesn't just help you feel better, it actually builds a stronger, smarter, and more resilient brain. And the best part? These changes last long-term, protecting your brain even as you age. Mini-guided meditation, brain healing light. Close your eyes. Picture your brain glowing with gentle, healing light. As you breathe in, imagine this light strengthening your memory, focus, and clarity. As you exhale, feel your brain becoming more resilient, preparing you for a brighter tomorrow. Way 7. Meditation balances sleep hormones. One of the biggest keys to good sleep is melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to rest. Meditation has been proven to increase melatonin naturally, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Balanced melatonin also means more stable sleep cycles, no more tossing, turning, or waking up at odd hours. Instead, you enjoy smooth, uninterrupted rest. Mini-guided meditation, twilight calm. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly through your nose, exhale fully through your mouth. Imagine a soft blue twilight light surrounding you, calm and steady. With every breath, feel your body sinking deeper into comfort, guided into a night of peaceful, stable sleep. Conclusion: meditation is your nighttime brain booster. So, there you have it, 7 surprising ways meditation boosts your brain overnight. It improves your sleep quality, strengthens your memory, reduces stress and brings emotional balance, boosts your happiness chemicals, tunes your brain waves for peace and focus, builds a stronger brain structure, and balances your sleep hormones. Meditation isn't just a daytime practice, it's a gift you give your brain for the night. By making meditation part of your evening routine, you transform your sleep into a powerful tool for healing, growth, and happiness. Final unified practice. Take one last deep breath in, and let go of your day with a slow exhale. Imagine yourself surrounded by golden light, filled with gratitude and peace. Carry this calm into your dreams tonight. If you found this story helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Heartfelt Wisdom. And check the description below for more guided practices that will help you sleep better and live happier. Sleep well, dream peacefully, and remember, your brain can heal, grow, and shine, all while you rest.